Akaiborwa etarike yamo mutinyo mutangani omwaka bweliwe yamo chimikianda 45 n'abana bande akenyorera chisemi uno mwana siasa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga akabwatia chimbaratire cheise asogosoa asensemo ya siasa. Omwaka bweliwe yamo chimikianda 92 omwaka bwechiribubere na isano na ibere mwaka bwechiribubere na 13 mwaka bwechiribubere na 15 nebere mwaka bwechiribubere 22 echo chire chintunda isano akarwanerekero kyobora ibwense kolende tanyora obobui akabaho mu prime minister kubaso mwaka bwechiribubere na isano na isato oika omwaka bwechiribubere na 13 agachakya ekiama gya ODM asichinga kichinyinga berega kwamereria eserikali akarwa asoboiko gwense chitariki 15 cyumutinyo 10 umwaka bwechiribubere 25 ono morai horatigale kunyorwa ase historia yo mu Kenya kunamenyakanete nabange Agwambo Tinga Nyundo Jacom Baba ase amaya chense satonigo togo mulikira esabari yaye nyagosira Raila Odinga kuruko iborwa kwaye ali akorekanire asomoyega bokomoa esiko yomoelio manchumuri etoko kwaliania asama ya chense sato elinde tokomanye asoboikirano iliana nkerubo Frida na balitoko bwatera na sokone kebna chibicha neliogira gukira sole asenchira ya bene na director Zack Brian Achaka Felistas Kabendi na Boigo Dorin Kemunto. Libori neno mwanchumuri ya togo kubolia emagoroba ya bono. Kulende no manyete Raila Odinga. Morikeito Eriko Ngaga nigaira libagari ya bene na gutwariganiria oroboti rwa bene kuruko iboro akwae asensemo yechisemi obakoreri ibwaye chinga kyarengo boiko bwense wikagosira kwaye na alionse abirega koikirania chinga kyarenga so boiko bwense
ati wanakano ni wajinga na erevu hawana wanakano ni wajinga na erevu hawana ukiona ukelewa usidhani ni tajiri hiyo ni mali ya umma wameiba toka kwenu jame wape hiyo pombe yao wakileo akitapika ni shauri yao.
Umuske Raila Odinga nige buritu chitariki samna ibere cyumutinyo mutangani mwaka bwelbwemo chimikenda na 45 ensema ya Maseno Kisumu district Nyanza province nigalengo mwanu kabere boya beto mukonyi bumura ibwenso mutangani Jaramogi Odinga amo numungna Mary Ajuma Odinga ubugima nugukina kwae Raila nigachageta masoma ya school y'oburuso ya Kisumu Union Primary bosyo bokugenda Maranda Primary na boigo Maranda High School abwasa somete wikumwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 50 mo nebere maiga yokura masomo ya secondary nigachiete college ya Hada iyo toka sense Germany asemyake bere kosomera umuntu bw'igi Germany bosyo bogoso University ya Leipzig ensemo ya East German. Umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 55 Raila niganyorete scholarship yogosoma se college y'obubundi ya Magdeburg ase abekeretwe gutwa umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52 Umuske Raila nigiranete nsi ya Kenya umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52 aso mwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52 nayomo nigachagete company yekurukwa Standard Processing Equipment Construction and Direction Limited asamatukaya emanyikantubuna East Africa Spectre ekorosia emetungie gas ekeregeto mwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52 nene Umuske Raila nigachole tukoba umumanager sekyombe gyakorengo bwebinto the Kenya Bureau of Standards libaga abeta seka kimyakene busyo ubogo kindiwa na kobo mukonyi bwemo director umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 55 ne 3 emirima korete gwiko mwaka bogo cherero kwaye buri bwemo chimikyanda ne 53 nebere oburima bwaye asisiasa umwaka buri bwemo chimikyanda ne 53 nebere Raila niga bigitu biara seli mocho ligo kagiro kubwatira n'abantu bande gonchole serikali iyo kabiro mare bwense bwekerekyo Daniel Arap Moi na kubikwa segesibo atagambiri ekikomanya kantumna detention without trial ase kimyaka 5 nomo bosio bukubwatu kwa umwaka buriwemo chimikyanda 53 kolende naende akabikubyara umwaka yuyu ku mwaka buriwemo chimikyanda 53 na kianda haso mwaka buriwemo chimikyanda 92 niyo arwandirite kergo kyobubunge ensemo ya Langata na kubwa ekerwe karansirite wikumwaka bwikiri bwibere na 13 gati umwaka bwikiri bwibere ne 5 wikachiri bwibere na 13 umuskaraila niga beto mwaziri munena se serikali ya Mwai Kibaki eyo yarosetwe maega yobututukanwa machibu yobochori banene mu mwaka n'ekibwibere ne 5 aseganga yokoleta mu nchuli ya siasa n'uburayi mense ya Kenya nigarwanire tekerwa cy'uburayi bwense asicintunda isano kolende etanyole cy'ububuye.
No one could have thought that out of the bitter harvest of the disputed elections and the violence that pitted our people against each other just 2 years ago, we would be witnessing today the birth of a national unity that has eluded us for more than 40 years.
Boigo na Rwanda tuburai bw'icyombe cyabo mu bukinsi cya Africa EU kolende tabwa umuskiraila boigo na beto mu commission munene bwa mangana ya infrastructure development asekyombe cyabo mu bukinsi cya Africa EU ati mwaka bw'ikiri bwibere na 15 gwiko mwaka bw'ikiri bwibere na 23 abakenya nigo baramunyiro muskiraila a Somalia bukurwanira demokrasiya y'ebyame binge ekatibenya okomuchye serikali ogoterna kwayo gokomu na boige nkoro yokwabira egati ya mange ugo kuko muskiraila Odinga nigo gwatigira umugo munene ase siasa yense ya Kenya na boigo orogongorwa Afrika ase obwagare umurayo yobwekyama kya ODM nigakurika bote myaka 53 na kumutiga magega umutakanwa Odinga nabana batatu Italiane Nerik Onkaga.
Mwanangu jali haina kinga, asaini hapo ni Mola Mwenyezi, ilinguruma likoni ikatiririka, walipasinja wote walifilia baharini, tuliona hayo kwa herini, tuliona hivyo kwa herini. No one can stop reggae. Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop, but I am sad to say I'm on my way. I won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to let a river little girl in Kingston Town. Okay, Joey! 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 Joey!
Piomono sana umuriketo erikongaga sogotwariganiria oroboti oruo. Chitariki 19 cy'umutinyo 10 umwaka yega bwekiri bubere 25 ni litko liratigare asebitabu bekenyorio asomwaziri omonene omukoro Raila Odinga abeire kakorigereria gose omoyega bwokomoenia obakogokorekana litko lierero ase University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga me county ya Siaya. abo ni gwabarai baba bagwikirana senseme yo chinga cyumurai wense Dr. William Ruto abaga kwira umuyegoyo ase chinseme cyo abanyanyimbo bo Burundi ni baruta chimbunde 15 kumoro kya amaskani iyo moelio mulikito Petro Machini na mange
Chitariki 19 umutinyo 10 umwaka w'ikirubire na 2025 nigorira tikari nene ase bitabu byanse ya Kenya nensenkima sinse ya Kenya ya moiresko yekerengo kigoro oyomo wa abarwandiria bechinguru ke siasa Raila Amolo Odinga iteromoyega wesikanene korokya maskani manene oyokorekana ime ye University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga ya Bonde County ya Siaya. Ayankorengana nengwana yomraibwense moske Dr. William Ruto litukuria Jumatano tariki 15 mutinyo 10 omwakoyo asa Ruto gochika na omurayo mukuru moske Raila Amolo Odinga kwewa eskenene asokwen wakwae egento abrei bairoko bakomraibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase egetambukere kiga.
Let me put it on record that many years ago in Bondo, in Nyamira, when we had requested the government of the day to give Jaramogi Oginga Odinga a state funeral, the government of the day refused to give Jaramogi a state funeral. All they did was to offer us one helicopter. And we all said, if that is all you are going to give Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, we say no. And we'll take Jaramogi to his final resting place in Bondo. So I do not want to take it for granted that you've given Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga a state funeral. I do not want to take that for granted. Indeed, this is the first proper state funeral with military colors, with the participation of the military.
Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, allow me to thank you on behalf of the party for the honor and dignity that you have granted to our father, our patriot, as he lies here as an elaborate state burial, which you have overseen personally.
Omoyega bwenyanki omwerio nenchiremo yokomweske yense nigo abrei Onyakuro chinse cheisiko bunabono murayo mukuru bwense ya Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo yokabiro murayo bwense ya Kenya muske Uhuru Kenyatta egatia bari banyako bawikarana segetie kyo na kwenana engora yabo ya bene asichimbunde chamasasi 15 naibere echanya kuba chikurutwa sensemeyo ereko moisko yomwerio muske Raila Amolo Odinga.
Mizinga 17.
Sobina bwaye ensemo yogotimokera kwaye ekerebendere yo yatubire esanduki ya nyagusira Raila Odinga yanyakabage koringo na kwenda no cha mate yae nekimanyirio kya maskani manene
aweze kukabidhi bendera kwa military police ili waweze kumkabidhi mama Aida Odinga kwa shukurani ama ikiwa ni ishara ya shukurani kwa kazi ambayo kiongozi huyu aliweza kutekeleza kwa taifa letu la Kenya.
Nabono ekerolire likulimira kuchachinge guchenyancha ya Lake Victoria ensi ya Kenya nige kumarusirie kondo Muske Raila Amolo Odinga oyo orengereti Kenya yobomo obwanchani no morembe kweniki wabotambe Pethuel Machin Ensoko TV county ya Kisii.
Kutigana nayo na kogendera bosio samatanga yoko moini Muske Raila Odinga sinka yaye nigo abarai kure serikali enene monabageni kurwa chinse cheisko baikirana nabaigo kurwa engora yabo asinchira yabene bakoragwa no murai wense Dr. William Ruto murai omukoro wense Uhuru Kenyatta murai omukoro wense ya Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo negati yabande nigo bamotogire nyagosira Raila Odinga asokwerwa kurwanira oburai obuya nabaigo gusaba abarai kubwata chimbwa chaye Murikito Clinton Ondigi na mange.
Amatanga yoko mwenia Muske Raila Odinga nigo ainekiwa Jumapili tariki 19 cy'umutenyo yoga oikomi mwaka wigabwekiri bubere 2025 asenka yae umugondo bwo poda ensemo ya bunge ya Bondo county ya Siaya.
We as Kenyans may be governed in the way of peace.
Umayoyo horagwo ni kanisa ya AIC ya mate yae kuragwa na mumuro mwabo Oburu Oginga murugyoye mama Aida Odinga mona bana bae Winnie Rosemary Junior negati abande nigo oikiranwa na baraikurwa sechinsemo ao haiga Kenya na isko ya Kenya.
River and democracy of our nation grow.
Murai wense William Ruto muno mokonyoye Kithure Kindiki niko bara higati ya baraibande kurwa serikali nene kumurira Raila Odinga aseruto hamotogirira ira sokwero kwae kurwandira hubura yobuya na magendro tari asensi ya Kenya yoka kurende boiga sorongo ru Afrika nensengima
of a great hero of our nation, a man who has been made through fabric of struggle, a man who many fondly referred as the people's president, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Ruto boigo nigo aigereire okubwaterana kwaye kwange no murayo yo asobora ibwage siasa na boigo hoigerero kubwaterana kwaye asobo mu serikali na oria eira yogo cha kugendera kubwaterana na baraibatikaire eri kugenderia amaroro ayura ira ringete kwenekia ense nkobere no murembe na boigo kubwaterana kwa baraibonsi.
Mimi nataka niwahakikishie kwa mapenzi ya Mungu ODM will either form the next government or be part of the next government. Ile kitu siwezi kukubali. Ile kitu kwa heshima ya huyu shujaa wetu. Ile kitu siwezi kukubali. Na nitafanya juu chini Mungu anisaidie. Ni wale ambao wanataka kungoa chama ya ODM na kwenda kuchezea karata ya upinzani kule nje. Hiyo haitawezekana. Government of Kenya, as we look after Raila's legacy, you too will stand guard with us to look after Raila's legacy. Together with all the other people who worked with Baba. To this community, I want to assure you that by God's grace, we're going to journey together in the footsteps and in the direction that our friend and brother Raila Odinga has pointed to us.
Oyo kabeire umurai bwense ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta na ereboigo negati abari baikirana asasabira bananchi na barai kubwatia chimbwa cy'Muske Raila Odinga eri gwikirania amaroraye yoko egerera omorembe oburai obuya amagendera sechinse mu chonsi.
We shall miss your insights, we shall miss your thoughtfulness, we shall miss your wisdom, and we shall miss your laughter. We'll live long, as I said, and we will remember, and I pray we remember those deeds and the actions that we shall live, emulating our friend and brother.
Mheshimiwa Olusegun Obasanjo umurayo mukuru w'ensi ya Nigeria uyorengo musani memono Raila Odinga uyu marange barokandire ko bamwase emiga emenge yabwangoiga ekero gyokuria oboraibo mu bwa Afrika ase Raila ari kuria gochorwa buna omunyakero gomutinyo kabiro mwaka oyega kurenda akabugwa na Mohamed Yusuf kurwa senseria ya Djibouti nigo Muske Obasanjo nere airaribaga elio kumurera senchira ya bene asa togirie sabari yaye yoborayo buya na gusabira nkoro yaye irarasagia.
For me, I've lost a brother. I've lost a friend. I've lost a confidant. I've lost a co-worker in the vineyard of Africa. Sleep in the bosom of your Creator. Adieu, Raila Odinga.
Jessica Magufuli umunyaruka boyo kabiro muraibwense ya Tanzania nyagosira John Pombe Magufuli Elizabeth Macheka Changirai umurugi boyo kabiro muwaziri monebwense ya Zimbabwe nyagosira Morgan Changirai negati ya bari baikirana ababwatani korwa sense ya Uganda bakoragwa noyo kabeire umuwaziri omonene Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda muwaziri hotendrete okubwatarana weserekali nebyombe ao hasense yo John Mulimba amono muwaziri boborendi Brigadier General McDains Kamugira nigo baikirania he ujumbe yo muraibwense ya Uganda Yoweri Museveni muwaziri hotendrete hebiwanda imense ya DRC aime Bosi Sangara nere na ikirania ujumbe abego yangoro ya bene kurwa sumuraibwense yu Felix Tshisekedi. Clinton Ondigi, Ensoko TV.
Amayenda nigabwatanse chinga kichomoyega bwoko moine anyagusira Raila Odinga yokolekana se University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga elioko mwa esko yaye yomoelio yamate abairi abasani naboigo abaraya monabananchi nigo baikirana elikomolera Raila Odinga yamate anyagusira umusikira Raila Odinga nigo litkolia lero ya mwa esko yomoelio ase omurugyoye mama Ida Odinga yorkanite koba omolemu nonya olenge na mayenda mange nigo amwiranilia mbiamo no muraibwense Dr. William Ruto asoko mwa eskenene umusikira Raila Odinga nabo igo kubabwatesia kweneke na Raila kwenigwale na masikani mulikito dena ndemo niga twaliganilia roboti rasenchira yobwagale
gatigati yegesunte kya mariga yamate Raila Odinga nigo yairaribaga kumunyura omwanchiobo oyomo asoyomo omunyura Raila Odinga nobogema bwaye asenka.
For Baba, you gave all of us your life. You stayed with us and you showed us how to live a good life. And for that, we are extremely thankful. Erokamano Baba.
Our father was someone who believed in us as individuals. As many who have spoken ahead and those who will speak after will let you know. And that is why today we have friends from all over. Our father listened keenly to what we had to say individually, after which he helped us sharpen our ideas. He also helped us to think broadly and find solutions, and to work with others.
Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Emiaka ya bwango yenyoma ya Raila Odinga nigo yabe kwa teneni no mumuro mwabo Dr. Oburu Odinga. Omwancho Raila Odinga oyobono oromotakanwa mama Ida Odinga nigaro kyobolemu na kwerera buna obogima bwaye bwokoba omurugi bwenka no mwanchi wo mwanasiasa bware.
Raila has been my husband for the last 52 years. Many of you who are here are younger than 52 years. You could easily have been our children. Like all the couples and families, We also had our ups and downs, but we've learned one thing, and that is we must talk straight to one another. We must forgive and move on. I know most of the time we used to say Raila is more of public life, political life, than he is for family life. But every time he came, he gave us what we deserved.
Ruto Odinga nigaira ribaga nonya na bokurwa ebirengero byaye bya siasa ase kiama kia ODM.
And what you said about our party must remain. You told me that at 8 in the evening, the day before you passed on in the morning. It was only a weak party. We must be united. ODM must be united. And it must be strong.
Nonya Raila Odinga orule obogatagati bya matiyaye. Korende otigire ebikoro ya matiyaye etatebiri etebe. Litkolia ankyo akeroto gochengera litkolia mashujade. Litkolia kubanyora abanyangongo imensi ya Kenya. Tumonyole Raila Amolo Odinga buno munyangongo nabaigo oanjite abantu baye nense ya Kenya. Ginkolipoteria egetaseni ya Soko TV iritariane Diana Ndema.
Abarai au bari kwamireria serikali kurinde bakayenyorera amabaga yebirugo maiga yokoigwana ne serikali gwetera omuroberio o broad based okwana nigo bamuinyora Raila asokobwa okubabwata okoboko na kubakinia sorogendo rwa siasa asensemende nigo balira yokobwatia chimbaratere chae na kurwanirira abakenya abarai kurwa ase kiame kyo gya ODM nigo balira yogochigwikirania obokoreri Murikito Linet Nyambane na Mange.
Ase omoyega boko mwenya Raila Odinga abarai ao nigo baikirana eriko mwa isko yae yo mwerio abarai abo kurwa asensemo ye serikali nabo igo bari bekiama kya ODM ba koriga siasa serikali bamanyekanite buna broad based nigo bakwanera okwiro kwa Raila gochia saba Kenya.
As a community, there is something we believe in, that a leader before he dies, a leader knows his death, but he doesn't talk about his death. He will show his people before he dies what he wants to be done. He will show his people where to take everything that he has. Raila showed us before he died that he wanted us to be in government.
Mimi siwezi kuwa mahali ambaye Raila kunipeleka. And I must say it today here, I was taken to government of William Ruto by Raila Amolo Odinga.
Early this year, Your Excellency, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga did pay me a visit in my office at the ministry. And he told me that work for your country selflessly.
Na Raila amenifunza mambo matatu. Ya kwanza amesema wewe ukitaka ufanye siasa inji hii paka uwe na wananchi. Listen to what the people are saying.
Mimi leo ni ngumu sana roho yangu kutoa rambirambi kwa baba. Mimi baba alikuwa kwa mambo mingi kwangu. Mimi nilikutana na baba nikiwa na miaka 24, the year 2001. Miaka 23 na 4 ingine sijaona kiongozi ingine, sijaona chama ingine. Chama yangu ilikuwa baba na baba ndiye alikuwa baba yangu.
Omuwasiri bwa mang'ana ye chinse cha isko Musalia Mudavadi nigo airari bagerio na kumwinyora Raila chinga kibare gokora chikampeni cyo mwaka bwe chiri bubere 2022.
He stood for a lot of things. His spirit is unbogable. Raila suffered. He had a checkered career. But one thing, Raila never allowed the history to hold him prisoner. And in better times, Mr. Deputy President, I walked with Raila, and I remember when he brought fire into my belly, and I would go there saying, Nasa Hawa. We would say, Nasa Uhuru, Nasa Ruto. But today, while Raila lies there, I'm at Nasa sisi wote.
Omonogeri bwe bunge nenenere Moses Wetangula nigo amuinyora Raila asatebire buna nigarenge kurwanirira obosibore no bwene bwa Kenya asarengo mustari obosio bokoreta omorembe imeyense omorai wekiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka nere nigo amurera Raila asarire ira yogocha kugendereria cha agenda cha Raila wekia abakenya Kanani.
We called you Joshua. We never got to Canaan. There were indeed crocodiles across the river Jordan, as we used to say. Lakini, I've seen in the printed program, you even paraphrase the late Martin Luther King. You've been to the mountain top. You've seen the promised land. And you know you may never get there with us. But we have to get there on your behalf. I give you my pledge, those values you stood for, the tears, the pain of a stolen election, as my brother Jim Orengo has said, elaborated. That pain will not be in vain. The nation is gathered together.
Goripoteria Ensoko TV, Eritaria ne Linet Nyamba.
Abarai akurase kiama gya ODM nigo barokana kwegirira obugima bw'ikiama ekyo asa matanga yoko mwaini umuchaki w'ikiama ekyo Raila Amolo Odinga yarokana oso yokorekana sigeti ya University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga litko lya lero kwende asensemende niga abarai bande barokana kogikelia olibago komocha ekiama ekyo asebaine kibna nigo barachi koene kyanga ekyo obakoleri w'ikiama ekyo bwabeire bogotinyigwa Mulikito Daniel Omwaga na Mange
Nase omuyega gwoko mwenyo yokabeire mu Prime Minister abwense ya Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga
ODM silale ODM silale bado mapambano bado mapambano
siasa nigo cyari mbeo ime yansemo ya Bondo County ya Siaya ekero abarai ao obekana kumulera Raila Odinga besokia anene bali akuru esekia makeregia ODM na kwegeroko bo gwekiamo ekyo asamatuka motwe Ruth Adhiambo Odinga oyuna boigo ore mwesiko mwabonya gosira Raila Odinga nigarekana bororo kwa mochi byara bali abakuru no borai gwekiamo ekyo gya ODM na kubatebinga nonye nigo bali bokonera mbamanyeti somo cyakano gwekiamo ekyo renge
ODM must be united and it must be strong. And if it is not strong, ODM! ODM must unite. We cannot have the ODM ingine huko, another ODM being led by some other people, another ODM being led by the few people who think they own the party. ODM belongs to all of us. Some of you who want to take it now don't even know how we started ODM.
Mugavana abwe county ya Kisii Omoske Paul Simbarati nigo ayenekelia erombe y'abantonga ekiama ODM niyo kigo kigotigara kirene chinguru chinene na nyanigo nigarekana ko bagikelia bororo bali barenge go kerwani ekiama ekyo gya ODM.
Najua kwamba baba amelala yuko pale. Baba amelala, baba aenda salama. Lakini jua kwamba papa wameamka sasa. Wamesema kwamba kulala kwako chama cha ODM kitalala. Nataka nihakikishie umati huu. Chama cha ODM sasa ndio tumeanza mapambano. Mapambano ndio tumeanza. Baba, utafurahia mahali utakuwa, safari ambayo tuko nayo. Wale ambao hapa, wale walikuwa napinga baba, wale waliodhulumu baba, wengine wako hapa ndani. Lakini nasema kwa sababu baba umelala, wasamehewe. Lakini hatuwezi sahau
omoriki omonene ebwe kiamekio Edwin Sifuna na boigo oromo senator abwe county ya Nairobi nigo esokia na gukwana ne chinguru chinene asarekana gotebanga nigo babo chikokora kiregento ile koranga ekiama akeria gya ODM ingetigara kerekera no morembe amono bomo ase ensemo yaye umugavana abwe county ya Mombasa omoske Abdulswamad Sharif Nasil nigo atebabuna ekiama gya ODM nigo kere ime ya serikali ile maikena broad based korengana bunanya gusia Raila Amolo Odinga batigete.
Mimi Sifuna sitakuwa baadhi ya wale ambao watachangia kuangusha chama cha Raila Amolo Odinga, because ODM is one of your biggest legacies, Your Excellency Baba. I as Sifuna will do everything in my power to keep this party united and together.
Mwaka 2027 we will not be in the opposition. Mambo mawili yatafanyika. Agosti tunapiga kura. September we are either in government or we are government. Joey!
Umugabana abwe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga oyina boigo oromunyakero bwe kiamekio gya ODM nigarekana ko motogia mono omurubyo ya Raila Amolo Odinga Aida Odinga asokumurenda Raila Amolo Odinga semyake menge nonyenigo ogakerambu yabono ababwatani baye baliate abara banke kigima imeyense bwe kiamekio gya ODM asate baninga nige kiamekio kego chokendra na maroraye.
Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, allow me to thank you on behalf of the party for the honor and dignity that you have granted to our father, our patriot, as he lies here as an elaborate state burial, which you have overseen personally. And he said he made a clear decision to work with you for the stability and unity of the nation inside the broad-based government. That is the last standing instruction that Baba gave us. And as a people and as a party, that is where we will stand.
Omo Senator Aredama Olekina nigarekana gosaba morembe kobo ime eye kiamekio omo bunge Osuba North omoske Emily Mabona Odhiambo asensemo yaye nigate banga Raila Amolo Odinga nigaboretie gotigara mwana omo ime eye kiamekio asarekana kubagikeria bali barenge kobe kachiro boti asembeo igoro gosira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga ne bakonyora trasiro mabwaye.
I want to assure Kenyans that as long as God gives us time on this earth, we will follow Baba's footsteps. Baba said we stay together, and that is the last message that he left for us. And I do hope that we can all come together to be able to ensure that we'll fulfill the dreams and aspirations of our hero.
I want to tell you as Jokanyanam that for those who killed Baba and buried Baba before his time, because we are Christians, we forgive you. But we will never forget.
Bono amaisonsi nigaligereti yorachi kwegwa oborai bugotenera ekiamekio mega yosira kwaye Raila Amolo Odinga asebona iga omuro mwabo Oburu Odinga yoro mo senator abwe county ya Siaya achoretwe gumna omura intinera abwe kiamekio ine nigo orachi kwemke bikoro tobya ya Raila Amolo Odinga na kwegwa chinguru cyo gotenera nakora ekiamekio Ginklipoteria egetaseni against Soko TV Rietaria Nenche Daniel Omwaga.
Ekiama gya ODM nigo gyakorire myaka 20 gisagi chakigwa mwaka bwechiribu 2005 abwase kiaro setigwene gonde yabana siasa bali bakanete referendum ye katiba asekelia batetebuna nigo etabwate bingesegete ebyo byalenge ebyabene asokwegerera oboene bw'omwanya bantu Raila Odinga, William Ruto, Kalonzo Musyoka, Musalia Mudavadi amona abande negati abali bagechagetie ekiamekyo Mwancho muligelia muliketo Wycliffe Orenge na bakagotwariganiria oroboti urwasobo ime
dia ODM. Nekiame kigia tagatiku mwaka wa 2005 na barai ao na nyagusira Raila Odinga, Uhuru Kenyatta, William Ruto, Musalia Mudavadi, Kalonzo Musyoka, Najib Balala, Ababu na Mwamba ama na bande.
Naundwa, mimi nilikuwa hapo, nilikuwa bungeni na nilikuwa waziri kwa serikali ya Mheshimiwa Kibaki.
Hichi chama kutokea mwaka wa 2005 tumejulikana kupigania wananchi. Tumejulikana kama chama ambaye ndio ilileta ugatuzi.
Raila Amolo Odinga anafuga macho kwa sababu macho iliweza kupata athari alipolazwa na kuweza kufungwa na kujeruhiwa.
With us, we admit every dick and harry, even brokers, businessmen are full in our party. It is high time that we started vetting the people who join ODM.
Nobody shall shake me. Nobody shall intimidate me. Nobody shall scare me. I will remain the Ababu Namwamba who says what he means and he means what he says.
Wikira bonoiga ekiame kyo nigo giakorire miaka 20 gesagia chagetigwe. Kurenda libolo linene ndirina ki ine ayabuno murigerere bwa Nsoko TV. Ninki okukenyorera ekiame kyo ODM inseyo baraibwa ya Raila Odinga.
Ndio yetu wasema tupitishe kwanza alafu turekebishe. Sasa kwa hivyo yeye mwenyewe alikuwa amekubali ya kwamba kuna hitilafu. Leo hii imekuwaje yeye anapinga?
Ekiame kyo ODM nigo giachagetigo mwaka wa 2005 kunegonde abakenya na barayi bali bakanete referendum ye katiba yo mwaka ujo asekeria barayi abo barenga segonde yo basengerete buna ekatiba yo yarenge koretwa nigo etabwate bingese binge byo kwegerera na kubalenda abakenya no bwene bwabo. Ekambeni ya referendum iyo nigo yabwata chinsemo ibere ile yarenge kuamerelia nigo yatuka manyerero kiri tunda abwa segonde ya nyata kubagekora wanera nyagosira Raila Odinga bali barenge ko yachotere referendum ya katibe iyo nigo yatwe ekemanyerero kiri toke egonde ya raitwe nero muraibu ensibwe chinga kiecho nyagosira Emilio Mwai Kibaki.
Kuna wengine wakisema ODM haitaenda kwa maandamano ya gazia. ODM ni chama ya watu ambayo tunaitambua kama ODM. Wakati ilikuwa inaundwa, mimi nilikuwa hapo, nilikuwa bungeni na nilikuwa waziri kwa serikali ya Mheshimiwa Kibaki.
Baliba yamerete referendum iyo inseke manyero kiri tunda asobora ibwa nyagosira Raila Odinga nigo babeta babwi asekerenga kya 50 igoro yemya abu asabaliba yetyoterete referendum iyo inseobora ibwa ye oyo kabero maraibu ense ya Kenya bwe chinga kicho nyagosira Emilio Mwai Kibaki babwetwe asekerenga kya 42 igoro yemya obo buyo bono nigo bwagereta abakenya bakamenta kumwancha Raila Odinga amanegonde yaye yamanyakantu na Pentagon koba abayigereri bobo sibole no bwene bwa Kenya obochole bubono nigo bwaetwe sikene na kigima abuwase bwatebekanite buna nigo bwarenge obo bwasyaku amano bwene okubuwa wa serikali ase referendum iyo nigo kwirire umuraibu ense ya Kenya bwechinga kyecho omoske Emilio Mwai Kibaki kubune cabinet yaye na igo etimu ya Orange Movement ikaganio bacholi obonene obuya bakoleke limolioka.
Fellow Kenyans, following the results of the referendum, it has become necessary for me, as the President of the Republic, to reorganize my government to make it more cohesive and better able to serve the people of Kenya. Accordingly, in accordance with the powers conferred upon me under the Constitution of Kenya, I have directed that the offices of all ministers and all assistant ministers become vacant. Consequently, the occupants of the said offices cease to hold their respective offices with the immediate effect. A reconstituted government will be in place within 2 weeks.
Ikiama gia ODM niko kiari getugo bene omwaka wa 2025 kune coalition party kunenda segekeke nige kiama kikyabakante ko bebya mabibere ODM amona ODM Kenya. Ikiama gia ODM niko giatigarite kora wana Raila Odinga Musalia Mudavadi amona William Ruto. Kurende ikiama gia ODM Kenya niko kiarostigwa na Kalonzo Musyoka amona baraibande bali batanchira ntono baraibwaye Raila Odinga. Igaye kiama gia ODM ko bagekana abwase kiama gia ODM giatigarite insi oburaibwaye Raila Odinga Musalia Mudavadi amona William Ruto bono nige kiama kyo kiama choleta Raila Odinga elinda chikomerania nere Mwai Kibaki asobo cholyo bonene bu mwaka wa 2025 abo ase Mwai Kibaki atangase tyoko bomubwi obwane nake bwameretigo na Raila Odinga amanegonde yaye kolene Mwai Kibaki agatiani gobotuko ikikirete chisegi kuwateka umwaka oyo na kwirira manyinga y'abantu abange kwiteka ase chisegi echo.
Nitaihifadhi, nitailinda na kuitetea katiba ya Kenya kwa mujibu wa sheria iliyowekwa. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu unisaidie.
Voting went on quite well in a lot of the polling stations across the nation. But when it came to the transmission of the results, that's where the problems, started. And some of them were done at the local level between polling stations and, constituency centers or other regional centers.
Chisege chiategete magiga yobocholi bu mwaka wa 2025 niko chireta abantu abange boitwa na abange botigara nechingo machinti kigima abo ase chiasoeta weka omwaka wa 2023 ekene nake kirirete lishirika United Nations komotoma Kofi Annan na imense ya Kenya lindachikogayania ogweta na gati ya Raila Odinga amono muraibwense ya Kenya Mwai Kibaki okoigwana egati abo babere ni okwagerete serikali kobagano katikati Raila Odinga aetweke ng'esege serikali na kwegwa obo Prime Minister Musalia Mudavadi akegwa obo Deputy Prime Minister.
7 hakukuwa kuzuri, kulikuwa na vurugu hata sijui kuliendaje, nilijipata niko chini. Afu kujipata niko chini napata niko na kisu kwa mgongo, si ndio nikajaribu kuingoa lakini haikung'oka. Alafu ile time nilijisikia kujaribu kuamka nasikia miguu haina nguvu.
Wakatoa githeri chini na wakanishikilia jiko ya makaa. Waliponichoma wakanikata shingo huku, wakaniwacha kama sijijui na sikuwa najua chochote bila nguo yeyote. So jioni labda askari walikuwa natembea au walikuwa wametolewa, walikuwa nasaidia watu. Wakakuta watu mbogani wamelala, nikakuja kurogotwa na mzee ndani ya nyumba.
Siasa 27. In our area kuna mali during that time ilibandikwa jina inaitwa Othaya area na Nyanza area. So kila elections kama elections za 2013 ulikuwa unakuta kama Mkikuyu alikuwa naishi Nyanza area na imefika 2013 1 year to elections walikuwa wanaanza kurelocate.
William Ruto amana Musalia Mudavadi niko batagete kurwanira oburaibwense ya Kenya omwaka wa 2025 inse kiama gia ODM kolende niko banyataka bakobua asensema ya mchucho nere Raila Odinga kolende ekero yegetange no bachori bu mwaka wa 2013 William Ruto akerusia se kiama gia ODM akarosia kiama kia URP abo asa atagete kuganda na kirakyo kurwanira oburaibwense ya Kenya omwaka wa 2013 kolende niko babwatanete na Uhuru Kenyatta abo asaba rosetie ekiama gia TNA ase ayatobo Deputy President.
And to appeal to all the supporters of the parties of this coalition not to blink and not to sleep.
It's a journey that we believe, we trust, and we shall work toward ensuring that it is a journey and a new beginning.
Coalition ya CORD nigo ya machoreta Raila Odinga kurwanire kiroko ky'oburaibwense ya Kenya asaba ameranete nere Uhuru Kenyatta oyo beto mubui asoba chali obu.
Rekebisha kwanza alafu tupitishe. Na timu yetu nasema tupitishe kwanza alafu turekebishe.
Na Vision 2030 na kubadilisha Kenya. Hawa watu tuwachane na wao. Sisi tuendeshe, ama wananchi mnasema namna gani? Mnataka tuendelee kupambana na watu ambao hawana kazi?
Chini ya katiba mamlaka yako mikononi mwa wananchi. Kwa hivyo hatuwezi kuamini vikundi vya watu ama kikundi kimoja ikiwa anakaa kwa bunge na kusema tyranny of numbers. Sasa watapata tyranny ya wananchi wa Kenya.
Well, we expect him to make a very stable government, a government that will cater for the common mwananchi.
Wenye tu ningeomba tu Uhuru afanye. Si alisema hizo doza second anga sijui run up. Hizo atupe vijana. Kani mtu kama mimi naenda huko kwa bank ananipea tu nachukua tu karo na hakuna interest.
Asobochori bu mwaka bwa 2015 ibiri ikiama gya ODM niko kyalenga se coalition ya NASA. Coalition ya NASA niko yarosetigwe ne byama byoko ya mare serikali buna ODM, Wiper, Ford Kenya, ANC ama nebinde. Raila Odinga nero chole tuko ya merania ne kiama gya Jubilee ikikyara etwe na era Uhuru Kenyatta ama na William Ruto. Aba beta babui asentunde yakabire na igo NASA ekabe coalition yoko ya mare serikali. Aiga no chisegi chiambete kwateka. Maga ya Raila Odinga kwa merelia machibu yobachori obwo. Ikiama gya ODM ama na NASA niko kirete kina aseke gambere kanene mense ya Kenya ile kuamerelia amachibu wa yom abwa somo na chebi no monene bwechinga kiecho David Maraga aligetyo mugano monene kobo na chebi no mutangani gutugutera robo chori obonene bu murai bwense ya Kenya asakiri atebete buna ekiombe kyo bochori ne chimbe mense ya Kenya IBC igia koleta bochori bo bwasyoku no bwekene abwa sarweta matuke merongo kianda elio bochori oboya bu murai bwense ya Kenya bakolekana.
Tofauti inaonekana katika Lamu hii.
Sisi hatuongei sana. Sisi sio watu wa matusi. Sisi sio watu wa propaganda. Lakini sisi ni watu ambao tukitoa ahadi, tuatimiza ahadi.
Mimi nauliza nyinyi msikae gangari. Msikae gangari na muwe tayari, maneno nasema yule mvumilivu una nini? Mvumilivu.
Raila Odinga amanegonde yaye ya NASA niko yangete gosoba seke minanekyo asabate betobuna goika amonchoro lyakorekane asekyo mbekyo bochori ne chimbe IBC ekikita akorekanete na igo Uhuru Kenyatta na Jubilee bakabwo bochori obwo boke.
The regime would want to rubber stamp their ill deeds from State House. You have seen that bills have been pushed through the House and they have sought to reduce the publication period. Publication period is very essential in ensuring that there is public participation in a legislative proposal. Pre-publication period is very important in ensuring that there is scrutiny by departmental and parliamentary legislative experts. The work which has been done today by Duale and his troop and assisted by the leadership of Parliament shows us very clearly that this House has decided to clamp up on freedom of speech.
Kuwatekana no bochori obukwera na Uhuru Kenyatta gutangasa kabomu bwe nigo liroro chiria negatigwe abwa senasa insi yoborai gwa Raila Odinga yareganetigo gotianirwa kwa Raila Odinga buno murai gwa bakenya ogotianirwa kugwa korekanete asegetikia Uhuru Park abwa somu akili miguna amotianitie kolende ensema ya barai bana sabuna Kalonzo Musyoka amuna Musalia Mudavadi tebeikiraneteo asegetikia Uhuru Park abwa sabate batabuna nigo basiekeretwe na banyanyimbo asetinyoba chiabo.
I am senior counsel. And that is the highest rank an advocate aspires to. How would I have participated in a mock, illegal, unconstitutional oath? How? I would have disqualified myself. Because lawyers and all of us swear to uphold constitutionalism.
Maiga yogotianirwa kwa Raila Odinga asegetikia Uhuru Park. Raila Odinga amona Uhuru Kenyatta nigo bakwananitie maiga echiboroburu kwaneka kwa mense ya Kenya na kugania buna aba Kenya bonsi babekwe asemese yokora ense ya Kenya. Ikiana nake kiredo muswada OBBI koretu asebunge. Muswada yo oetetigo bwango kolende ekero igetigwe aseke gambere kanene mense ya Kenya ugatugutirwa ware. William Ruto amona egonde yaye yarenge kwa meriri muswada yo OBBI ekarosia egonde yabe korokwa the hustlers gose hustlers nation egonde ya hustlers nation egachekarosia kiama gekoro kwa UDA.
Respect all institutions as we are people who respect the rule of law. We must accept and submit ourselves to the rule of law, to our constitution, to all the institutions that have been set up by our constitution, so that the BBI report, all institutions commissions will implement sections of the report.
Ekeregete asobochori bu mwaka wa 2022 ikiame kia ODM niko kiarenge asobochori obuo ase babwataneta monabara ibande na korosia coalition ya rogetu azimio la umoja One Kenya coalition ase ntunda yende Raila Odinga ni gachoretwe elindaji kwa merania na William Ruto babarenga barwaniriria banene asobochori obuo wasa serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta ni kiama ya Jubilee kiarenge kumusira Raila Odinga elinde abuo bochori obuo bu mwaka wa 2022 kulende egonde ya Ruto ase coalition yabo ya Kenya iganja ko bakigotangazwa ko bababui asobochori obuo abwase Ruto atangazwa ko murayo gatano kwensi ya Kenya gwetera asogotera kwaye kwa Hustlers vs Dynasties.
Hatutaki vurugu, hatutaki fujo, hatutaki matusi. Tunataka uchaguzi wa amani kwa sababu sisi tunaamini kwa mambo ya demokrasia.
Kiama ya ODM imeyegonde azimio la umoja One Kenya coalition magayoko buwa asobochori bu mwaka wa 2022 nigo yararetie maminche serikali ya Kenya kwanza no konga kubugima abo atitsikulicha bugoreti gomutwe amagori ebintu gokina nabasabaja nizi bagesokia sobonge elekorobekanira okonga kubugima kulenda magayo mwaka yomo omuraibu ekiama ya ODM Raila Odinga bakaumira no muraibu ensi ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto abo aseba igwana netekoroisia egonde yabarai obarache kuligereria emechande iyo yaberege kukwanirwa nabasae amanegonde azimio la umoja One Kenya kulendo gotaigwana igoro roboti rwanandiko ukagera ogwatanekana gukaba ase egonde azimio la umoja One Kenya na igo ODM igasoa ase serikali abwasansema yabarai bekiame kyo baetwe amabaga yoko baba waziri Wycliffe Oparanya Ali Hassan Joho Opiyo Wandayi amana John Mbadi abobare abarai bekiama ya ODM abobenyoreta amabaga yoko baba waziri na gosoa serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
This structure, we are inside the room. We want to bring those structural changes from within. We are going to do town hall meetings to ensure that we educate the youth in this country and tell them the importance of the broad-based government.
We support ile handshake ya Raila na rais wetu Ruto kwa sababu itafanikisha maendeleo.
Ase miaka yege 20 ikiama ya ODM kiabere mensi ya Kenya niko kiamanyakanire bune kiama Kongo ya upinzani abo ase kiaberege kwegerera bwane bwamanya bantu kulende tikianya koleta burai na kroasia serikali nonyana bo niko kiaberege konyora babunge abagabana ama nabaseneta bange imensi ya Kenya abone kiama ekyo niko kiategere bune niko kibwato borosobya nande niko kibwate kirenga kiko cha kroasia serikali mwaka wa 2025 na gotiana buna tikeri chakoba asensemo ya upinzani naende
katika Kenya. Chama hii ODM ndio imeleta demokrasia katika Kenya.
Kuna safari pahali hii nchi ilitoka. Hii nchi kulikuwa hakuna hata freedom of speech. Hii nchi kulikuwa hakuna hata kuweza kuzungumza ama kuwe na njia yoyote hata vyombo vya habari.
Hakuna siku tena ODM itakaa nje ya serikali ya Kenya. Ikifika 2027 serikali ni ODM. Sisi tumejipanga, tutahakikisha ya kwamba ODM is going to form the next government or they will be part of the next government.
Ase miaka yige 20 kiama ya ODM kiaberege ko ba sensi ya Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga Nairobi romuraibu kiama ekyo kulenda gukiraso kwa kwaye bono iga nige kiama ekyo atigirwe asa maboko ya Oburu Oginga oyuetwe oburaibu kiama ekyo ntenenera Simbarati buno mokonyi bumuraibu kiama ekyo Abdulsamad Serif Nasir nere buno mokonyi bu kiama ekyo Senator Sosi nere buno mokonyi bumuraibu kiama ekyo Edwin Sifuna buno Secretary General osomoli kiama nene bu kiama ekyo Timothy Bosire buno mugachyo manene bwekiamekyo Gladys Wanga nera nigatigira roro buna omonyakerogo bwekiamekyo.
Kama chama cha ODM tunasherehekea chama cha chungwa kuzaliwa. Leo tuko hapa tarehe 8, 9, 10, 11 na 12 tutakuwa kule Mombasa. Na nitauliza watu wajitokeze wote tusherehekee miaka 20 ya chama.
God, the NEC has designated the Senator of Siaya County, Honorable Dr. Oburu Odinga, to be the acting party leader until the time that the top party organs will meet and elect a substantive party leader to fit in the big shoes that have been left by our leader.
Bono ni getigarita sabra ibe kiamekyo kwene kebuna ekiamekyo ngotigara kira kobe kiamekongu asa chinsema chionsi echekonya kerege kongu buna Nyanza, Western, Nairobi, North Eastern Coast amana chinsema chinde. Inkoripoteria Ensoko TV asoro boti urugorwa bene kurwasi county ya Kisii. Reteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Mwanchu murielia kurwa sorboti rwaye Wycliffe Orenge nigo tugwikira mweli obwo kumurikira amang'ana maya ase ensemeyiga undo mwanchu murie ni metingana gende tukwirubiria ase litkolia angyo litkolia mashuja asogo chengera abanyangongo abange kero turabe tukumunyora nayo rebo igora ila Amolo Odinga gwikira bo mwanchu murie timbwati amange kukoganiria obutko borobuye lia nenkerubo Frida na bali tobwatira na soko eneke bana chibichane iriogi gwikira Rasole asenchira ya benenere Brian Achaka, Director Zak, Felistas Kabendi, na boigo Dorin Kemuntotwara obotko borobia.